Hey guys, just Andy down at Aldridge Vehicles here, just arrived into stock, so I thought I'd do a quick video walk around for you. It is a Fiat 500 1.2i in a limited edition colour with some graphics and everything like that. So limited edition, I think it was an £800 option on new. So I just walked around the car quickly, show you the outside and the interior and go from there. So it's one owner from brand new and it's got full Fiat service history. It's got a two-tone interior which sort of goes with the outside, black and red. Show you the other wheel there if I can. Pop the boot. So yeah, these Fiat 500s are super popular really. We always tend to sell them quite quickly. This is a bit of a rarer one because it's just a limited edition paint. I say it's 1.2, so it falls into sort of a lower tax group and lower insurance and running costs and that sort of thing. So yeah, good decent bet for either first car or second car. Specification's pretty good. It's got multifunction steering wheel. It has got air conditioning. It's got the city button which just softens up sort of the steering and everything. The mileage on this car is 30,000 miles. And as I say, it's got full Fiat service history, so 3 stamps in the book. When we sell the car, it has a pre-delivery vehicle inspection. It won't be due its first MOT just yet, I don't think, but we do like a pre-delivery inspection and it gets a full, fully detailed. We've obviously got market-leading finance available, so if you are needing any quotes on any finance, just give us a ring or go to the website, and obviously there's a finance calculator on there. So yeah, if you've got any more you want any more information, or if you want to give us a call or to arrange a viewing or a test drive or anything like that, give us a buzz on the office number. Thank you. Cheers guys. Bye bye.